Hello everyone. Good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we discussed about the chapter perimeter and area, which is 11th chapter of your NCERT exercise, chapter 11. And in previous class, dear student, we discussed about the parallelogram and triangle, and we discussed about the area of parallelogram as well as area of triangle, and also we solved some question and some more important question of your NCERT exercise based on parallelogram, as well as we solve some question based on triangle. Okay, now today, dear student, we are going to discuss about new topic of that chapter, which is circle. Okay, so today we discuss about the circle. Let's see, dear student, you know that this is the circle in which center O. A path circle is, what is circle? The circle is a path of an object which distant from a given fixed point always remains constant. Then that part of the object is known as the circle. This is the circle, and you know that the distance between center and any point on the circle is called its radius. This is radius of the circle. Okay, and there are two important formula related to circle. First one is circumference. And second one is area. There are two important formula related to circle. First of all, discuss about what is the concept of circumference. Dear student, what is the circumference? The distance around a circular region. The distance around the circular region. Okay. The outer boundary of the circle. The total distance around the circle is known as circumference, and it is denoted by the letter C. And the circumference of circle is equal to 2 pi r. Here r be the what? Here r is what? That is the radius of circle. So it is clear, dear students. The circumference means what? The distance around a circular region. The distance around a circular region is known as the circumference of that circular region, and it is denoted by C. Let us consider here r be the radius of the circle, then its circumference will be 2 pi r. This is the formula for circumference of a circle. Now look, now we discuss about the area of the circle. Dear students, area is the what? The region occupied by any circular region is called what? Its area. Area means what? Area means the region occupied by any circular region is known as what? Area. ठीक है? And the area of circle, dear students, is pi r square. The formula for area of circle. The formula of area of circle is pi r square. Okay. So dear student, there are two important formula related to circle. First one is circumference. Second one is area of circle. Now we take and solve some question based of your NCERT exercise based on circle. Let's see. Two important formula is here, dear student. You know that circumference 2 pi r and area is what? Pi r square. Now we take and solve some question. Let's see. Your question is, take a very small question. What is the circumference of a circle? What is the circumference of a circle of radius 14 centimeter? Of radius 14 centimeter. This is the question here. Dear student, what is the circumference of a circle of radius 14 centimeter? Let's see its solution. Since radius of circle is what? 14 centimeter, we find its circumference. Okay, since we know that the circumference of circle is 2 pi r, and you know that the value of pi is what, 22 upon 7. So here we put the value of r and pi, so we get 2 into 22 upon 7 into r means what, 14. So 7 to the 14, 2 to the 4 into 22, so we have 4 to the 8, 4 to the 8, 88 centimeter square. So dear students, this is the circumference of the given circle. So dear students, in this way you can solve all the question of your NCERT exercise based on circumference. Okay, now we take and solve some other questions of your NCERT exercise. Let's see. We take and solve some other question. Let's see. Your question is the diameter. Your question is the diameter. Okay, the diameter of a circular garden is 9.8 meter. Okay, find its area. Find its area. Dear students, to find the area of this circular garden, first of all we find the radius of the circle and circular garden. Here the diameter of the circular garden is 9.8 meters. So radius will be what? Because of, you know that very well, the radius is the half of its diameter. So let's see its solution. First of all you write given. What is given? Diameter. Diameter D is what? Diameter is equal to what? 9.8 meters. Since the radius is what? Radius R will be what? 98 by 2. That is 2 for the 4.9. So the radius of this circular garden is 4.9 meters square. Okay. Now we find its area. Since area of circular garden will be pi r square. So pi 22 upon 7. R square means what? 4.9 into 4.9. Now 7 7 is 49. So 0.7. So we have 22 into 0.7 into 4.9. Now we multiply 4.9 and 0.7. We get 3.43 and we multiply by 22. We have 6. 75.46. Yes. So after multiply that we get as 75.46 meter square. This is the, dear student, this is the area of the circular garden. So dear students, in this way you solve all the question of your NCERT exercise based on the area of circular region. So we discussed two types of question. First, question based on circumference of the circular region, and second one we discuss about the area of the circular region. Now we take and solve the some your NCERT exercise 11.3. we solve some important question of that exercise. Okay, let's see. Now we take exercise 11.3 and we solve some important question of that exercise. Let's see. Let's take question number 4. Question number 4 of that, which is very important question. Now we take and solve question number 4. Okay, your question is: a gardener wants to fence a circular garden of diameter circular garden of diameter 21 meter. Okay, find the length of the rope. Find the length of the rope he needs to purchase. He needs to purchase if he makes 2 round of fence. Two round of fence. Also find the cost of the rope. Also find the cost of the rope if it costs rupees 4 per meter. 4 per meter. We take the value of pi is equal to 22/7. Dear students, this is one of the most important question, okay, of your NCERT exercise 11.3. So this is very conceptual question, so please concentrate on this question. Here a gardener wants to fence a circular garden. First of all, we form a circular garden. Let's see. Suppose that this is the circular garden with center O. Okay, now, and the diameter of this circular garden means what? Diameter is what? This suppose that AB is the diameter of this garden. First of all, you write given diameter D is given as what? 21 meter. Since radius of this garden, radius R is what? 21/2 meter. Okay, it is clear. Now what I do, what we find here, students? We find the length of rope he need to purchase if he makes 2 round of fence. Find the length of the rope. Length of the rope he needs to purchase if he makes 2 round of fence. Dear student, if 1 round of fence, the length of rope in 1 round of fence is what? The circumference of that circular garden, na? Because of the length of the outer boundary of any circular region is known as its circumference. So dear student, 2 round of fence, now we find the length of the rope. So since the length of the rope in 1 round of fence is what? Since here, let's see, since 1 round of the length of the rope, since the length of the rope in 1 round of fence, in 1 round fence is equal to what? Circumference of garden. Okay, since इसलिए what the length of the rope is, the length of the rope in two round of fence. 2 round is equal to 2 into 8 circumference. Now clear, dear students? Because of you know that the length of the outer boundary of any circular region is known as what? The length of the outer boundary of any circular region is known as the what? Circumference. So the length of the rope in 2 round of fence is 2 into circumference of the garden. So we put the value of circumference is what? So we have 2 into circumference of garden is 2 pi. So we put the value of 2 into the value of pi is 22 upon 7, and the radius of circular garden is what? 21 upon 2. Here we put as 21 upon 2. So we get as 7 3 the 21, 2 cancel to each other. So we get 22 2s are 44 into 3. So 132 meter. 132 meter. Dear student, so we can say that the length of the rope in 2 round of fence needed is what? How many meter? Is 132 meter. Now one question is also here. Also find the cost of rope if cost rupees 4 per meter. Now let's see. And the cost of the rope is what? Four into circumference, total length of the rope in 2 round of fence is what? 32 meter. Okay, so 4 and 132. So we get 4 to the 8. 528 rupees. 528. Yes, this is your complete answer. So in this way, dear student, this is the solution of the given equation. This is the total length of the rope in 2 round of fence, which is 132 meter, and the cost of the rope is in total 2 round of fence is what? Rupees to 528. So dear students, in this way you can solve that type of question of your NCERT exercise. Okay, now clear, dear student? Now we take some of the important question of that exercise. Okay, let's see. Let's see next question of that exercise, and we take question number, let's see, question number 5. We take and solve the question number 5 of this exercise. Let's see. So question number 5 is, from a circular sheet of radius 4 centimeter, from a circular sheet of radius 4 centimeter, a circle of radius a circle of radius 3 centimeter is removed. A circle of radius 3 centimeter is removed. Find the area of the remaining sheet. Find the area of the remaining sheet. Find the area of the remaining sheet, and we take the value of pi in for that question is 3.14, which is given in our question. Now look what I do, dear students. First let's see question once more time. In that question, from a circular sheet of radius 4 centimeter, okay, and a circle of radius 3 centimeter is removed. So first of all we find the area of the remaining sheet. So first we find the area of circular sheet of radius 4 centimeter, then after we find the area of sheet of radius 3 centimeter, and then after we subtract that this area minus this area, okay, subtracting them we get our result. Now let's see. First let R1 is 4 centimeter and the radius of the other sheet R2 is 3 centimeter. So now what I do, now first we find the area of circular sheet. Now area of circular sheet of radius 4 centimeter is what? Pi r square, that is pi into r is 4 square, that is 4 for the 16 pi centimeter square, okay. This is take R1 now, and area of sheet of radius 3 centimeter is pi R2 square, that is pi as pi, R2 is what? 3. So we write 3 square, so we get as what? 3 is a 9 pi centimeter square. Now what I do, dear students, now after that here we find the area of the remaining sheet now, because of the area of the circular sheet of 3 centimeter removed it. So now thus area of the remaining sheet, area of remaining sheet will be what? 16 pi minus 9 pi, we get what? 7 pi. 7 into pi. Now we put the value of pi as 3.14 into 7. Now after multiplying we get what? 21.98 centimeter square. So dear student, this is our final answer. So dear student, in this way we can solve that type of question. Let's see once more time. First, here from a circular sheet of radius 4 centimeter of a radius circle of radius 3 centimeter is removed. First of all we find, in that type of question, first of all we find the area of the circular sheet of radius 4 centimeter, and then after we find the area of sheet of radius 3 centimeter, okay. Then after area of the remaining sheet we subtract them, means area of the circular sheet of radius 4 centimeter minus area of the circular sheet of radius 3 centimeter. After subtract them we get 7 pi. Now we put the value of pi as 3.14 and hence we get our result as 21.98 centimeter square, okay. So dear students, you can solve all the question of that exercise on same way. Now we take some important question and solve it. Let's see. Now we take question number 10. We take and solve the question number 10 of that exercise 11.3. And this question, form a circular card sheet of radius 4 centimeter. A circular card is given in that question. Let's see. In that question a circular card is given. Circular card, a sheet of radius, the card of this radius of circular card. Circular card is what? 14 centimeter, which is given in our question, okay. Two circles of radius 3.5 centimeter, here in this way. Two circle of radius 3.5 centimeter and a rectangle of length 3 and breadth 1 centimeter, and also given a rectangle of length 3 centimeter and breadth 1. This is 3 this is 1 and this is area, radius, and radius given by r. Suppose that is r, that is r1, which is same for both the circles. r1 is equal to what? 3.5 centimeter. 3.5 centimeter. ठीक है? Okay, dear students, and it is given. Now what I do? Shown that when find the area of the remaining sheet and take the value of pi in for that question is 22/7. Now look at solution. Dear student, first of all we find the area of whole circular card. After that we find the area of two small circles and we find the area of rectangle. Then we add that and that area, and after that we subtract them. Okay, then we find the area of the remaining portion. Let's see. Your question is two circles of radius 3.5 centimeter and a rectangle of length 3 centimeter and width 1 centimeter are removed, and find the area of the remaining sheet. So let's see. First we find the area of the circular card sheet. Let's see. First of all we find the area of circular card sheet. What is pi r square? So pi 22/7 into r square is what? 14 into 14. 7 to the 40 to 22 into 28. Now we multiply 28. We get as 616. So we get 616 centimeter square. This is the area of circular sheet. Now we find the area of two small circles. Let's see. Now we find the area of two small circles, which is what? 2 into pi r1 square. So 2 into 22/7 into r square. r1 square means what? 3.5 into 3.5. So 7 5 the 35, 0.5, 5 2 the 10, 1.0 into 22 into 3.5. So we multiply what? 3.5 into 22. 3.5 into 22. We get what? Let's see. We get 77 centimeter square. Now what I do? Now we after that we find the area of rectangular sheet. Okay. Now and area of rectangular sheet is what? 3 into 1 as what? 3 centimeter. Because of length into width we find the area of the rectangular sheet. Now area of the remaining sheet. Now because that region is removed from that circular sheet. Now area of remaining sheet is what? Is equal to 616 minus 77 plus 3. So we get as 616 minus 77 plus 3 is 80. So we get what? We subtract 80 from 616. 536. So we have as 536 centimeter square. 536 centimeter square. This is our required answer. So now, dear student, today we discussed the concept of circle and we take and solve some important question of your NCERT exercise based on circumference of circle and based on area of circle. Now first you revise all the chapter, all the question which we discussed in that class. After that you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise. Now in next class we take and solve some important questions based on that exercise, and also we discuss some other concept of and we solve some question based on the applications of that figures. Now first you revise all the question which we discussed in that class and solve complete your NCERT exercise. Okay, thank you.